So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we're learning how to stop all ads on our iOS devices. It works for iPhone, works for iPads and all iOS devices. So just learn how to get this done. So first of all, go ahead to locate your Chrome. I'm going ahead to locate my Chrome on my iOS device. So go ahead to open your Chrome, and what you should search here on your Chrome is let's say AdGuard DNS. So I'm searching for AdGuard DNS, so I've seen it pop out there. AdGuard DNS, so you can see AdGuard DNS. So make sure you search for the. So now you can see the top result, and you go ahead to click on one here. So I'm going to AdGuard DNS here that I'm finding right here on my iOS device. So you scroll down and you locate it here. So you can see this. It said install the AdGuard DNS. So I'm going to download this for the Apple devices. So once you've gotten to this part here, what you have to do is to go ahead to the option 2 to make it easier for you. So the option 2 make it easier for you. For example, if you're in Android, you can the Windows, the Mac operating system, but I'm using this iOS. Find the iOS device here, and I'm going to scroll down to locate the kind. So you're going to check the kind you want. It is the default server, which is basically what I want. I'll go ahead to click on download configuration profile here. So I'm just going to click on this. So they're going to ask me configuration profile available, so I'm going to click on continue. So I'm downloading this, and once you're click on allow. So once you've seen this, you're going to see this stuff pop out on your screen. Profile downloaded. So I'm going to review it in the setting. I'm going to click on my close and close the application and open my settings application right here on my iOS device. So you can see profile downloaded here, but let's just ignore that and go ahead to click on our general, scroll down and locate the VPN and device management. Now go ahead to click on the downloaded profile, that is AdGuard DNS. Tap on this and click right here on install. So now you're going to enter your passcode in. So let's see our passcode, and this is going to install. So I'm going to click here on install. So what you should do right here is to click here again on install, and now you've had your AdGuard DNS installed on your device. So go ahead to click on tick, and now from here and come back to the VPN and device management, and you can see you have these two options here: restrictions and proxies. So go ahead to click on these and make sure this is on AdGuard DNS, and once this is on AdGuard DNS, you won't find no advertisement displaying right here on your device. So this is how to solve the issue, and this is how to get everything done. So if you found this video very important and useful, go ahead to share this video to other people and like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.